If e be say really say Chacha Eke gets belle before as she talk, wetin can happen to the belle now? Because belle supposed to dey big, not be say the belle go come dey small again. My people, now the gist, now we want gist for here. Hello my wonderful kings and queens, welcome back again to my channel. Yes, I'm back again with another video. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you come across this my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you not forget to subscribe if you don't watch this video finish, and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I throw away my ogbonge gist, now you will first dey grab the matter for hand. Yes, my people, about this Chacha Eke matter. If like say this matter, you no go finish for ground again. We don't get another latest gist when it concern matter again. We know say Chacha Eke matter don full ground for some weeks ago. If I'm not mistaken, she can't come out, she can't talk say she dey walk out of her marriage. You can't see one video when she makes it. She say she don't tire for her marriage and people go hear her story. That time when she make that video, we don't see anything belle for there, and she carry low cut for that particular video. Later now we come dey hear another one when she come dey throw away for inside hospital. She come dey talk say she no dey fine, say she get that one they call bipolar, say na the thing I make that first video. And for that video when she make for hospital for there, we don't see anything belle. He not tell us say in get belle for there, and we don't see anything belle for there. You know to say now we can't still see another video again when she can't drop her. This time around she can't talk say she get belle, and that belle when she show us for there, the belle don't big, the thing don't come out. You know, be like person when you just get belle now, or when you just get belle when be say now like a month, the thing don't come out. Because with my own experience, when woman don't get belle, when the thing don't they pass 3 months, they go 4 months. Now the thing go they come out, it go they show. You feel get belle, especially people when be say you don't get body. Me myself, I not get body. People when you don't get body, their belle not they quick they show. Before their belle will come they show, their belle don't they reach that kind 5 months or so before you come they come out. Before people come they know say they even get belle. So now it be that video when the last video when Chacha Eke show. For that video, she come they talk say many people they talk say she won't come up for her marriage. Say she don't get any intention like that. Say if she even gets anything for her mind like that, talk say she won't come up for her marriage. Not be this belle when she gets so. She no will fit come out, and her beautiful children say she no will fit leave them behind. And to crown it all with this belle when she get, she no will fit come up for her marriage. Say she dey enjoy her marriage. But when she make that video, many people come they talk say it be like say not be her mind. She they make that video. It be like person be say. Then they push and they tell and say talk her like this, do her like this. It be like person when they act out of fear. It be like say not be her mind, not be she they make that video, not be she they talk waiting she they talk. Many people come they talk say now Austin hand, which is her husband, now in hand everything they say now in the first Chacha Eke make it they do all this video, and then he go come post some say not be Chacha Eke mind. Meanwhile, Chacha Eke brother don't first come out of say Chacha Eke need help. Say Chacha Eke get some things when she really needs for that marriage, when be say the man they do, and when be say she no fit talk come out because of some circumstances and some things. But as she come as in when be the brother of Chacha Eke come try to help Chacha Eke now, Chacha Eke come take the thing rub his face. Maybe na husband and they tell and say make she do her like that. Say he don't back up when be the Chacha Eke brother. Say he no get hand for the matter again. Say he wish her quick recovery. That is her bipolar. He wish her good luck for inside. Because Chacha Eke come and talk say na bipolar, now they disturb and I make her she they behave like that. Today she go talk something, tomorrow she go talk say not be so she take talk am again. So many people come they talk say everything when she they post and when she they talk, and the last video when she make say not be her mind at all. They don't believe say that woman Chacha say she really need help. Me myself, it can't be like say I dey doubt the thing small. But now I can't be like say the thing when they talk, I don't confirm. I be like say now true, my people, because now the way me I tell see am for my own mind now they talk I not just talk say everything when I talk for you say 100% say now the way it be. Now waiting there my mind now they talk. That's why they drop the video for now. When I they do so, say una self go still see about una self, make una self still talk how una see the matter. So Chacha Eke now I can't drop another picture. This one are the latest picture one I they see so. For this picture, she can't say she and her husband Austin say then go their sister-in-law wedding. Even though some people they talk say not be so that they dress go wedding, that one are their own thorough. He can't say they go wedding, but the thing we can't catch people attention be say the dress when Chacha Eke wear for them and the way where she take dress, it can't different from the last video when she make when she talk say she get belle. Because the dress when she wear for here now anything like belle not just show at all. Because the time when Chacha Eke drop that first video, her belle don't show well. So whether she wear maternity gown, she don't wear maternity gown, that one don't change anything, because it get where belle go big rich. Maternity gown self no go fit cover the thing again. And compared to the time when she take do that video till now, the belle supposed to don't big small pass that one. Not be say the thing will come dey small again. So the maternity gown when Chacha wear for here, the thing not be something when e big when come be say you come cover that kind belle when Chacha Eke first show us. So then many people come dey doubt say be like say the belle when Chacha Eke show us before, be like say na fake, na she fake kind, be like say the thing na audio. Say na the thing maybe na something when you wear. Una know say most of all these celebrities na that one come dey rain for them. They get this fake belle when they wear. The thing itself go look real. So with that one itself, you don't fit differentiate who really get belle and who not get belle. So many people come dey think they come dey talk say Chacha Eke don't lie again. Say that belle when he show us, say na lie, say anything belle not dey at all. Say if to say belle dey therefore see am for here. And again, the first video when she talk say she dey leave her marriage, say people go hear her story. Say na low cut, na she carry for there. So how come now her hair come long automatically, and the belle when she show us when he never to take from now, say the thing not come show again. Say something still there when it still there about this Chacha Eke when be say she don't fit open up, she don't fit talk. So many people come dey doubt, they come dey talk say if she be saying a lie, now she dey lie for all these things when she dey do, say na herself, now she dey deceive. And to crown it up, when this picture when she shows, so she can still write something to journal, you can say my sister-in-law's wedding, we are all very happy. So people talk say when they know Chacha Eke when be say they be fans, they be correct fans, say Chacha Eke no fit talk like this, say na somebody na in dey push am, say they still believe say there is something when Chacha Eke no fit come out tell everybody. So my own view be say if e be say she dey lie to herself, that one na her own problem, because person when he say make them help her, now they go help her. Person when he say he no need help, that is they suffering and smiling. Now the person now you know na him own thorough be that. So my people, I don't know how una see the matter. That's why I still present the matter for una. Make una self, make una still see, make una still compare this picture Chacha Eke belle before and now. So una see anything like belle for there, abi una think say na just audio belle or na fake one na she first put. My people, make una just drop una comment below for una comment section anyway we una see how una think the matter. For me, now here I go stop, and here I go hang my tori. I hope to see you now for my next video. If updates still there, I will still let you know, my people. I beg, if you be today now your first time when you come across this my channel and you never subscribe, I beg make you not forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell, so that anytime when I throw away my bonge gist, now you will first they grab the matter for hand. With that one, you know if they miss any of my gist. Yes, my people, those of you now when don't already subscribe to this my channel, my returning subscriber, God will bless you. I appreciate you so much. I thank you for your kindness and your support. I hope to see you now for my next video when you know go to take from now. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.